Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to send message with check effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if your iPhone is using the latest iOS 18 and I want to send a message with the check effect, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to send message with the check effect on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is open the message app on your iPhone, then select the contact you want to send the message to. So go ahead and type the message. So this is a message with a check effect. So go ahead and type the message. Now to add the check effect, I like the part of the message where you want to add the check effect. So let's say this. Now, once you highlighted the part of the message where you want to add the check effect, go ahead and tap text effect. If the text effect is not coming up, once you highlighted it, just swipe like this. Then if you see the text effect here, then click on it. Now, once you click on text effect, then you're going to see the check effect pops under the text effect menu. So go ahead and click on that. Then once you select that, if you see the text checking, you can also add button. So is that? So once the text is checking, then you can just go ahead outside it. Then you see the text checking within the message. So and here is the check effect. Then go ahead and click on send. Once you hit the send button, then the check effect will be added to the text you send on iMessage. So that is basically how to send message with check effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.